there is a good news for the HPC PGT aspirants. In this video, we are going to discuss about the vacancies displaced by Haryana Public Service Commission. हरियाणा पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन के द्वारा पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट टीचर्स के लिए हरियाणा कैडर और मेवात कैडर के लिए कुछ वैकेंसीज डिस्प्ले की गई. ऑलमोस्ट 18 सब्जेक्ट्स कवर किए गए हैं. सो द डिटेल्ड रिक्रूटमेंट नोटिस इज प्रेजेंट हियर. This notice is publication. Date of publication of this notice is 23 July 2024. Opening date for submission of the online applications. Online application 25 जुलाई से स्टार्ट हो चुके हैं. क्लोजिंग डेट ऑफ सबमिशन जो है वो 14 अगस्त 2024 रहने वाले हैं. What are the eligibility conditions for these posts? For the postgraduate teachers, it must be the master degree in the concerned subject and the B.Ed, that is Bachelor of Education, with 55% marks in the post-graduation and B.Ed. How to apply? The application mode will be online. That is given here. We have to apply online for the following post. And last date for receipt of application and issue of admit card, that is closing date, we can say, that is 14th of August till 5 PM. शाम को 5 बजे तक 14 अगस्त को क्लोजिंग डेट जो रहेगी वो हमारी 14 अगस्त रहने वाली है. Now the particular subject wise vacancies are given here. टोटल 3069 3069 पोस्ट जो हैं यहाँ पे हमारे पास सभी सब्जेक्ट्स की गिवन है. सो वन बाय वन वी आर डिस्कसिंग अबाउट द सब्जेक्ट वाइज पोस्ट. सब्जेक्ट बायोलॉजी 233 पोस्ट, केमिस्ट्री 255 पोस्ट, कॉमर्स 164, इकोनॉमिक्स 129 इन रेस्ट ऑफ हरियाणा एंड 3 पोस्ट फॉर मेवात कैडर. English, for English 174 of rest of Haryana and 12 only 174 post for rest of Haryana. Fine Arts 12 post and 4 post for मेवात कैडर. ये जो पोस्ट हैं वो सबसे कम पोस्ट इसलिए यहाँ पे आप देख रहे हैं जस्ट बिकॉज रिसेंटली जो पोस्ट हैं वो फिल की गई हैं HPSC के द्वारा, इसलिए यहाँ पे हमारे पास बहुत लेस नंबर ऑफ पोस्ट जो हैं प्रेजेंट हैं. नेक्स्ट सब्जेक्ट इज ज्योग्राफी 116 पोस्ट एंड मेवात कैडर 9 पोस्ट. हिंदी 4 पोस्ट इन मेवात कैडर. हिस्ट्री 144 एंड 21 पोस्ट इन मेवात कैडर. होम साइंस 48 एंड 5 पोस्ट इन मेवात कैडर. मैथमेटिक्स 414. For mathematics, a good number of vacancies are coming by HPSC, Haryana Public Service Commission. So we have the golden opportunity to win the chance. मेवात कैडर में भी यहाँ पे 42 वैकेंसीज गिवन है फॉर द सब्जेक्ट मैथमेटिक्स. नेक्स्ट इज द म्यूजिक 87 एंड 4 वैकेंसीज इन मेवात कैडर. फिजिकल एजुकेशन 226 226 वैकेंसीज जो हैं वो फिजिकल एजुकेशन के लिए भी गिवन है along with the 23 vacancies in मेवात कैडर. फिजिक्स a very good number of vacancies this time in case of physics, PGT physics, that is 410 along with the 36 post in मेवात कैडर. Next is political science 283 and 59 in मेवात कैडर. Psychology only 1 post for मेवात कैडर. Sanskrit 69 in मेवात कैडर. Sociology 38 post in rest of Haryana and 2 post for the मेवात कैडर. And the language Urdu Punjabi, for Urdu 4 posts are given here and Punjabi 50 posts for rest of Haryana. So there are the plenty of vacancies which are coming this time by Haryana Public Service Commission. It is a good news and the golden opportunity to grab by the hard work of the persons can grab the opportunity this time. We can apply in the rest of Haryana or the Mewat cadre as per our choice. That is given here, rest of Haryana and Mewat cadre. But in case अगर हम अप्लाई करते टाइम ऑप्शन चूज़ नहीं किया, उस केस में भी अगर हमारे पास पॉसिबिलिटी है कि अगर कोई भी ऑप्शन चूज़ नहीं किया गया है तो उसमें हम रेस्ट ऑफ हरियाणा में हमारी फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी काउंट हो जाएगी और मेवात कैडर जो है दैट विल बी द सेकंड प्रेफरेंस। ये जो वैकेंसीज हैं वो हमारी बी ग्रुप के अंडर आती हैं। नेक्स्ट इज असेंशियल क्वालिफिकेशंस। Essential qualifications for the post, that is matriculation with Hindi as one of the major subject, one of the compulsory subject, and HTET Haryana eligibility test or the state eligibility test should be qualified, and consistent good academic record must be there. For the following post, master degree in concerned subject like MSc Zoology, Botany and Biochemistry, Genetics, Microbiology, Biotechnology, Life Science, Molecular Biology in case of the PGT Biology along with the B.Ed. PGT Chemistry requires Masters in Chemistry or Biochemistry with 50% marks along with B.Ed. For PGT Commerce, MCom along with at least 50% marks and Bachelor of Education from a recognized university. PGT Economics requires MA Economics, Business Economics, Applied Economics with at least 50% marks along with B.Ed. PGT English, MA in English along with B.Ed. PGT Fine Arts, MA in Fine Arts along with the B.Ed, Bachelor of Education. PGT Geography needs MA Geography. PGT Hindi requires MA Hindi with B.Ed. PGT History, PGT Home Science, PGT Mathematics, they all requires master degree in the concerned subject along with the B.Ed. If we talk about the PGT Mathematics, MA and MSc Mathematics or applied mathematics students can apply for the post code 18/2024. Sorry, 28/2024. So approximately 20 or more than 20 subjects are available to apply. For these detailed information you can read one by one. Now the scheme or the pattern of examination. First of all, the screening test. If applicable, if the number of candidates are more, then it will be taken. Total number of MCQs will be 100. Subject wise syllabus is also given in this recruitment notice. Time duration for the screening test will be 2 hours. Total marks will be 100. All questions carry equal marks. There will be negative marking and 1/4 negative marking is there. 5 options for all the questions will be provided, but if the dark circle will not be done, then 0.25 marks will be deducted. So we have to darken the one of the following columns out of the 5 provided. So it is necessary to be aware about that. Or the 1/4 marks for the negative or the wrong answer will be deducted. Medium of examination will be English for the following subjects like science subjects, biology, chemistry, home science, mathematics and physics. Some of the subjects will be available in bilingual, Hindi or English as the medium of writing. Next is the subject knowledge test. Subject knowledge test will be of 3 hours. Total marks 20. Total marks will be 150. There will be negative marking. That is not mentioned here. I think it is. The next point is regarding interview. Weightage of the interview will be 12.5% and the subject knowledge test weightage will be 87.5%. That is based on the highest cutoff marks. Pay scale is also given here, that is very nice. Eligibility condition, one must be Indian. Age limit, highest age limit is 42 years and some age relaxation criteria is also provided here. Scheduled caste of Haryana given 5 years of age relaxation. Backward classes of Haryana 5 years. Disabled persons 5 years. Wives of military 5 years. Widow legally divorced women's also provided 5 years relaxation. Judiciary separated women's residing separately also given 5 years. Unmarried women's given 5 years or ex-servicemen. So the age relaxation is also provided here. Next is the reservation. Reservation is given to the SC, BC, BCA, BCB, EWS, PWBD and ESM category candidates. Especially they must have domiciles of Haryana state. This is the detailed notice, so you can read carefully. Application fees to apply for this post. For male candidates, it is 1000 rupees for all the male candidates of backward classes and general categories and other states. But for female candidates of general category and female candidates of all the categories of other states, it is 250 rupees. And for the candidates of EWS and male and female candidates of SC, BCA, BCB and ESM categories of Haryana only, it is also 250. But for the persons with disability category candidates, the fees will not be there, that is given here nil. So this is all about the fee criteria to apply for this post. Some other informations are also given here. We can read in the following pages. Next is about syllabus that is given here. First of all, the syllabus of biology. Almost the syllabus is same as per the previous HPSC vacancies. It is the detailed syllabus of class 11th or 12th regarding diversity of living world, structural organization in plant and animal, plant physiology, sexual reproductions, genetics, biology in human welfare, principles of biotechnology and ecology in detail, animal physiology. So almost 11th and 12th syllabus is deeply covered. Next is the syllabus of chemistry given here. All the topics and the chapters of class 11 and 12. Some basic concepts of chemistry, states of matter, structure of atom, equilibrium, surface chemistry, chemical kinetics, redox reactions. Solution is from class 12, chemical bonding, thermodynamics, classification of elements, periodicity, hydrogen, general principles and processes, or we can say simply metallurgy, P block elements, D and F block elements, coordination chemistry, organic chemistry, GOC or the general concepts of organic chemistry, environmental chemistry, or the detailed organic chemistry stepwise, haloalkane, halorine, alcohols, phenols, ethers, polymers, biomolecules. This is the syllabus of chemistry in detail. So all the subjects are covered with detailed syllabus of the particular subjects, economics and other languages, English language, grammar is given here, fine arts. फाइन आर्ट्स की जो वैकेंसीज़ हैं यहाँ पे, इनमें स्किल टेस्ट जो होगा वो प्रायर रहेगा. नेक्स्ट इज द सब्जेक्ट ज्योग्राफी, हिंदी, this is history, home science, mathematics. You can see the detailed syllabus of mathematics music, physical education. Next is the syllabus of physics. This is the detailed syllabus of PGT physics. Political science. Next is psychology. Next is Sanskrit. Sociology. Language Urdu and Punjabi. So let me remind about the dates, that is opening date 25th of July and closing date 14th of August. So very nice chance to apply and prepare accordingly. Thanks for watching the video. Please do like and subscribe and share